Hello dear students, this is Nilesh Patil sir and I welcome you all in this session in which I am going to teach the 8th chapter in your geography textbook, Economy and Occupations. We have been studying this chapter for last several days, and moving ahead we are going to talk about agriculture in Brazil. We are talking about the economy and occupations in Brazil and India. We are making a comparative study of the economy and occupations in Brazil and India. Dear students, you already know that Brazil and India are mixed economies. There is coexistence of public and private enterprises. We have also known that India's national income is more as compared to that of Brazil, but per capita income, that is the per person income of India, is less than that of Brazil. The reason? Population. India is a populated country. Therefore, you see the per capita income of the country is very low, and there are different economic activities that contribute to this income, and agriculture is one of the most important activities that contributes to the economy of a nation. Now, we people have already known that agriculture is an important activity in Brazil too, though not as important as it is in India. We have studied that majority of people in India, almost 49% people in India, are engaged in agriculture. In Brazil too, agriculture is an important activity. Now, let me talk about the agriculture in Brazil. Where is it practiced? Dear students, we know that agriculture depends on natural resources like climate, topography, that is the surface features of land. So in Brazil, we know that there are restrictions on practicing agriculture in the northern area of Brazil because it is covered by forests, equatorial forests, Amazon forests. So there are restrictions on using land for agriculture. But in coastal areas and highlands, you can see I have written some notes here which you can focus on. In coastal areas and highlands, wherever there is favorable climate and topography, that is surface features, wherever agriculture can be practiced on land, we see agricultural activities are practiced. Now, what are the major food crops in Brazil? Rice and maize are the two major food crops that are produced in Brazil. Rice is a major cereal crop. Maize is a major cereal crop. Apart from that, in Brazil, commercial crops are produced. Coffee, cocoa, rubber, soybean, sugarcane. These are the crops that are produced for just selling in market, you may say, for commercial purpose. These are cash crops. Dear students, we have known before this that Brazil is the largest producer of coffee. It is known as the coffee pot of the world. It is the largest producer of these two crops, coffee and soybean. Soybean is also a commercial crop, a cash crop. Moving ahead, there are several other crops that are produced, fruits that are produced in Brazil. Banana, pineapple, oranges and other citrus fruits are also produced in Brazil. Dear students, now we talk about the areas where these crops are produced. I have written down these notes so that it becomes easy for you people to understand the topic. I suggest when you are listening to this video, watching this video, keep your textbook in hand and observe the same things on a map which is given in your textbook, which shows different crops that are produced in Brazil. Dear students, if you observe carefully, rice is a crop that is cultivated in coastal areas of Brazil, whereas maize is mainly produced in the central parts. Coffee plantations are found in the areas of highland where there is favorable climate and soil. Sao Paulo, Minas Gerais, these are the areas in the highlands, states in highlands where coffee plantations can be seen. Rubber plantations can also be seen in Brazil, but these, you know that rubber is a tropical crop, so it requires very high rainfall, high temperature. This climate you may observe in Brazil in the Amazon rainforests. So rubber is a major crop in north central parts of Brazil. Dear students, apart from this agricultural activities, some activities which are allied to agriculture are also practiced. Now you people might have studied before this in physiography of Brazil that the central part of Brazil is occupied by a grassland which is called savanna grassland. In this area, animal husbandry is an occupation. Cattle, sheep, goats are reared in this area for meat production. Thus, Brazil is also a major producer of meat in the world. Dear students, we understand that it is an important activity for the people of Brazil. I suggest go through the notes, observe the map, and if possible note down these things in your book. I hope this video will help you to understand the topic better, and I am going to post several other videos based on the topics, based on other economic activities that are practiced in Brazil and India. For now, I am going to